In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Sheets. First, make sure you're signed in to your Monday.com workspace and you're on the home screen. This keeps everything accessible and ensures you have the right permissions to add apps to a board. Head to the top right corner of the page and click the icon with 9 small dots. This is the product switcher, and it's your quick path to tools and add-ons that extend what Monday.com can do. From that menu, open the Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find official apps and vetted integrations that connect Monday.com with the tools you already use. Inside the Marketplace, locate the search bar and type the word Sheets. You're looking for the Google Sheets connector, which is the official integration that links your boards to spreadsheets. Select the Google Sheets connector from the results. If it isn't installed yet in your account, install it now. Depending on your workspace settings, you may need approval from an admin. The install is straightforward, and the permissions are limited to what's necessary for the integration to run. Once it's installed, click Use App to start configuring it. This opens a guided setup so you can attach the integration to a specific board. Next, choose a board. You can pick an existing board if you already have one set up for your data, or create a new one to keep your integration clean and organized. If you're just testing or starting fresh, a new board is a good idea. Select New Board to create that dedicated space. Give it a clear name later so you and your team know it's tied to your Google Sheets connection. When prompted, click Add App. This step activates the connector on the board you've chosen so you can apply its templates and automation recipes. You'll now see pre-made integration templates designed for Google Sheets. These templates are shortcuts that define what should happen, such as creating an item in Monday.com when a new row is added to a sheet, or updating a row when a status changes. Hover over them to read the descriptions and find one that matches the workflow you want. Choose the template that fits your goal. Templates help you avoid building everything from scratch and make sure the field mapping and triggers line up with common use cases. Click Use Template. This will open the connector setup window and walk you through the few fields you need to confirm before it can run. A configuration pop-up appears. This is where you connect the pieces. If this is your first time using the connector, you may be asked to authorize access to your Google account. Approve the access so the integration can read and write to your spreadsheets as needed. Click the field labeled Spreadsheet to select the Google Sheets file you want to use. Pick the correct file from your Google Drive. For best results, make sure your sheet has a header row with clear column names before you connect it. Then choose the specific sheet within that file. Many spreadsheets have multiple tabs, and the integration needs to know exactly which one to monitor or update. Confirm you've selected the tab that contains the data you want to sync. Finally, click Create Automation. This activates the recipe on your board, tying your Monday.com items to the spreadsheet you selected. From this point forward, the connector will follow the template's logic automatically. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Match your column types in Monday.com to the data you store in Google Sheets so updates map cleanly. Keep column names consistent to avoid mapping errors. If you need to adjust anything later, open the board's integration settings to edit the recipe or pause it temporarily. That's it. Your Monday.com board is now integrated with Google Sheets using the Google Sheets connector. You've installed the app, attached it to a board, picked a ready-made template, linked your spreadsheet and sheet, and turned on the automation so your data can stay in sync with less manual work.